Let's talk about just like an overall concept. In general, in all of combat sports, fighting, even if we're talking about like classic military tactics, hey kids, we got to keep it down. Even if we're talking about like classic military tactics, we're always trying to get behind people, right? So we're always trying to surround people, get behind them and expose the rear, okay? So if we can get behind our opponent from the standing position, that would obviously be the best case scenario, right? Josh Murdoch talked about this when he was visiting. Just stay exactly still. Don't do anything. Best case scenario, if I was going to beat her with my jiu-jitsu, this is what I would do. I would just walk around her, put her in a choke, and then just choke her out. That would be like, let's say hypothetically she wasn't going to resist, and you were like, all right, take this person out with jiu-jitsu. That's what I would do. Easiest option. So now, obviously, when she starts resisting, so now I'm going to try to go around you, do what you would do. See, she's trying to stop me from going around her, right? That's like the most basic thing, is she's obviously not going to let me just walk behind her. So now we're going to talk about all the moves that we have when they start to do that, okay? So I'm just going to walk to the side. Christy's going to usually put her arm out, maybe on my shoulder. When she does that, I'm just going to do what's called an arm drag. So I'm just going to put my hand up here to the wrist. I'm going to feed it across to the other hand, just like this, and I'm going to try to pull her shoulder to shoulder. Now I'm going to go hip to hip, and I want to grab my hands together. From here, I'm just going to come across. Ideally, I'd love to pin this arm here, and I can just get on the side, okay? So one more time. She goes to reach out. I step to the side. I kind of block this wrist. I want to feed it to the other hand. And then I pull it through this little hole, and I want to just go shoulder to shoulder. And now to close the rest of the space, I go hip to hip, grabbing my hands together. And you see here, I'm on her back like this, okay? So one more time. She goes, get to here, okay? So we can think about biggest detail is I'm trying to reach and grab all the way to like her armpit here. I don't just want to grab here at the elbow. Now it's going to be really easy for Christy to pull that arm out, right? So I go here. I want to try to grab all the way to her armpit. Now, instead of trying to pull through this way, I feed it through this little hole. And I go shoulder to shoulder and then hip to hip. Grab the hands together, and now I'm on the back.